Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Cilinix Crypto. Welcome back, or welcome to the channel if you're new. It's good to have you all here. And welcome to a new video and an update on Solana. I covered this yesterday, but I wanted to cover it today again because it went a little bit higher, which was expected. If you watched my video yesterday, what I said is that I did there's basically a big resistance level between $27 and 28.3, and yesterday I said that I did expect Solana to reach up a little bit higher into that resistance level and then find resistance. All right, so we have found a little bit of resistance, but it's not enough yet to say that I was right. So I just wanted to do a quick update. First of all, I must say that I do think a lot of this bullish momentum for Solana is manipulated. I like Solana, all right, I have nothing against Solana. I know that there are a lot of Solana haters, not me, all right. I like the community. I've always been covering it. But if you take a look at Solana right now and it moves like these, and then also where the volume is coming from, like a lot from Top Credit and Bybit, usually that means that it's manipulated. All right. That's just an observation. That's just what I've learned. All right. Does that matter? No, not necessarily. And another confirmation, by the way, for me is that usually if a crypto rallies like this, when I make a video on that, usually a lot of people watch it, right? Because there's a lot of hype and momentum around it. And a video I made yesterday, perhaps it was just a bad video. That's true. It could be. But it did not gain that much traction either. While with Solana, usually if there's real momentum, the videos get a lot of views. So that's just a little bit of an observation for myself. But yeah, so I think it's manipulated. It doesn't really matter, all right? Whether it's manipulated or not, it could still go up or down in the end. So the big question is will it still reject off of the current resistance level? What I said in my video yesterday. And for that, let's take a look at some numbers. I mean, first of all, the momentum for Solana is actually still growing. Yesterday, the volume dropped down a little bit, or actually quite a lot. The volume dropped down from 4 billion to 3 billion for futures. Open interest is still high. So there's a lot of positions open right now for Solana, and you can also see that in the liquidation heat map. I think there are some big liquidation levels nearby. Let's take a look at that. Here for Solana on Binance, you can see that there's a huge, it's actually not that bad. Like the main liquidation levels are around 28.6-ish and then 27.5, all right? So that's basically this level right here. So then what we have to assume, it's a little bit neutral, right? Because the volume is dropping down, the open interest is still high. So what we will see today, I still think the most likely scenario, and that's also because it's the weekend. So usually momentum is lost a little bit. What I think the most likely scenario still is that Solana will find some resistance here. All right. So that it will drop back down towards $27, perhaps even down to 25.7. After which Solana would still be bullish, by the way. I mean, as long as Solana is above 25.5, it's still bullish. But I do expect it to drop down, consolidate, and then if Bitcoin actually pushes above 30,000 again, then I expect Solana to go up towards $30 and higher, because what's also true is that Solana is correlated with Bitcoin for 97%. So that's what I think most likely is right now, depending on how Bitcoin reacts, all right? Because if Bitcoin doesn't push above 30,000, Solana will probably not push towards $30. So then it will just slowly drop back down after breaking down below $27. But this is, in my eyes, the most likely scenario. It could happen, all right? I just want to tell you to end this video. It could happen that Solana just breaks above 28.3 in the next hours, and then it will continue up to $30. It's a possibility. If that happens, if it does break above 28.3, know that that's a major bullish breakout. And consider me wrong, all right? But I want you to know that 28.3 is the main level to break. I don't expect it to break, but if it does, I was wrong, and Solana will continue going up, all right? Just so you know. But that's my full take on Solana for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. I also have my own premium group, by the way, in which I share my own trades as signals, and you gain access to my trading guide and an amazing community full of traders. If that sounds interesting, if you want to become a better trader while earning some profits, consider joining. But for now, it's my take on Solana. Have a great weekend and bye.